Hi guys, I got here a GMC Sierra Duramax 6.6 liters. I'm gonna show you how to remove your side mirror and a door handle. First, there's a 7 mil here. You have to remove the plastic cover. And this cover panel, there's a 1 7 mil also here, if it's 1 or 2. And then there's 2 7 mil in the bottom, 1 and 2. Okay, and then all the way door panels is a plastic push clip that you have to pull it. So these are the tools that you need: an impact or anything, or screw. We're gonna use 7 mil, 7 millimeter socket, deep or short, doesn't matter as long as you have an extension. Torx 20, Torx 15, Torx 20, Torx 15, plastic pry tool, 90-degree peak, and a flat screw. Okay, to avoid scratches on the plastic door panel. Okay, I'll show it to you right now. Right here, use this flat screw. Or a 90-degree peak. There you go. So once you remove this cover, the 7 millimeter bolt will gonna be exposed. Okay, right, remove it. And then here, flat screw, plastic pry tool. Careful, do it slowly. There. Then once that thing is popped out, there's two 7 mil screw. I don't know if you guys see it. Right there, 1, 2. Okay. So we're gonna take this off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then there's one here. And one here. There you go. So once the screw is all out, you have to use your plastic pry tool and start here in the side. There you can hear the pop. Slowly. Go. Now, out, slip it up, and there you go. That's how you remove your door panel. Now, if you want to remove some of the wirings, just right there. It's easy. It's right here, and your cable for your door handle. Okay. So once the door panel is out, we are ready to remove our side mirror. First things first, remove that big plastic cover. Then once this thing is out, it's gonna expose the 4 13 mil nuts. Okay, there you go, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then after that, you can remove that side mirror, and before you do that, you have to unplug your plug-ins. Okay, there's 2 plug-ins here. Okay, guys, better listen. On this newer door, so you have to remove this rubber seal, and you're gonna need Torx 20. Where's camera? Torx 20 right here. Then counterclockwise to remove it. See, counterclockwise, and then pull the hole. better pull this thing while you loosening it. When you're loosening it, this door handle will stay up. Once you go all the way, there you go, and you can pop this, the door lock. Use a plastic pry tool. There you go. See? Going out. And the rubber seal comes with it. So now, this door handle is wired. You have to remove the wiring from inside. Remember, just unscrew it and don't tie it yet, or else once you tighten it back, the latch from inside will gonna pop in, and there's really no way to put it back at the proper place unless you have to remove the whole mechanism. So don't you ever tight the Torx 15 once you pop this out. It's inside. So once you unplug the connector's wiring from inside, you can remove this thing. Okay, I'll show you how to remove this. It's kinda like that. Autofocus, there you go guys. It's like this. So this red tab here, it's really hard to see, eh? This you have to push it all the way back. That's the lock. There you go. That's red thing. Come on, autofocus, focus. There you go. That red thing, you have to push it out, and then you have to push this white thing to pull this. Push this down, push this down, and then pull this out. Okay, hope you guys get it.